Hello everyone. Today we're looking at two popular tools for keeping your Mac running smoothly. We will compare Daisydisk and Cleanmymac to see which one fits your needs. Both apps help you save space, but they do it in different ways. Daisydisk is built for people who want to see exactly what's on their computer. When you open it, the app creates a colorful map that looks like a sun. Each piece of the map shows a different folder or file. The bigger the piece, the more space the file is taken up. This tool is fast and very lightweight. It does not run in the background or slow down your system. Its main goal is to help you find large files that you forgot about, like old movies or huge downloads. Once you find them, you drag them to the bottom of the screen to delete them. It is a manual process, meaning you're in total control. It is also very affordable, usually requiring only a one-time payment. CleanMyMac is a much larger program that handles many different tasks. While it can find large files, its main job is to clean out system junk. This includes hidden files, cache data, and old logs that you usually cannot see. It is designed to be a quick one-click solution. You press a button, and the app scans your whole computer for junk, malware, and even privacy risks. It also includes tools to uninstall apps completely and speed up your RAM. Because it does so much, it is more expensive. Most people pay for it through a yearly subscription. Choosing between them depends on your style. If you want a cheap, beautiful tool to hunt down large files yourself, get Daisydisk. If you want an all-in-one tool that handles maintenance, security, and cleaning automatically, CleanMyMac is the better choice. Both are great, but they serve different types of Mac users. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.